What's up, Pyros? Now we just got some random items here. Let's start off with the ground bloom with boom. We got the Crazy Bee helicopter minus the wings. Crazy Kobe. The blockbuster. And the crazy robot. Let's go check them out. Alright, first up, ground bloom with boom. Nice. I'll do the Crazy Bee here. Usually I put the wings back on, but I couldn't even find the one. Right back at me. Crazy Kobe. Blockbuster. Alright, step up right there, guys. Good old crazy robot. And that is definitely the winner.